this is our last chance to get a road division win.
Put one together today on the road in the division. Let's go get a W, man. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Win.
Come on.
Football ain't hard. You beat the man in front of you, and you whoop his ass. Every guy play. Hey, fellas, we need this one. Hey, let's go get this dub. Hey, family together. Squad on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Vikings trying to mount a scoring drive here in response to the Marvin Jones touchdown a couple of moments ago for Detroit.
It's 2nd and 7. Handoff goes to Madison. No, it's a bootleg. Cousins rolls left. Caught Thielen. Touchdown!
Great play.
Cousins under center. Cook the tailback. Play action. Pass left. Caught. Touchdown! It's BC Johnson.
Hey, congratulations on your first touch. Good job, baby. Keep doing your thing now. Come on, keep working. Yeah, keep working, baby.
14-14, second quarter, Ford Field. Vikings 1st and 10 from their own 3. Kirk Cousins from under center gives it to Dalvin Cook. He's thinking about going 97.
You've got to have this running game take control right now.
It's a hell of a drive right now. We are softening them up.
Caught Rudolph on the run, first down.
Yes, go, Rudy. Yes!
And the Vikings are in the red zone once again. Toss left, Alexander Madison getting a block from Rudolph. Crosses the 15, and the speedy rookie runs out of bounds at the 11. It's a gain of 9.
Yes! Rudy! Get block! This is how you build a championship team right here. This is a hell of a drive. Now let's go get it done.
Vikings looking for their first lead of the game.
On 1st and goal, handoff to Dalvin around the left side. Cuts at the 5, bounces off the line at the 2. Looks for the goal line. Touchdown! Touchdown, Dalvin Cook.
Dalvin! Touchdown, baby!
97-yard drive, baby.
Yes, sir.
Once we get down there.
Yes, sir. Great drive, man. Great drive. That's the play y'all put together. Great drive. Hey, oh my God. Add a baby.
Statement, what I told y'all. Hey, what I told y'all from the jump. What I told y'all from the jump. Yeah. What I told y'all from the jump, Pat. Statement right there. Statement.
Great job, Ford.
Play action. Kirk rolls out to the left, looking for C.J. Ham. Found him. Touchdown! This is 4th and 2 from the Vikings 41.
Start playing. Win this game. Hey, let's play. Let's play, fellas. Let's play.
Straight eye behind Stafford. Play action. Rolls out to the left. Looking the way of fullback. Bogdan throws. And it's incomplete.
And guess who got a hand in there? Eric Kendricks.
Great job, great job, great job.
Cousins back to pass. Straight in the pocket. Dump over the middle. Rudolph. 5. Touchdown!
On his face. On his face.
I'm enjoying my time in Detroit.
I think we just got to pound beef. We got to keep going. At the end here, we got to pound beef. Love it.
Our chance is finishing.
2nd and goal for the Vikings from the 4. Handoff Dalvin Cook. Stutter step right. Shakes a tackle. 3, 2. Touchdown!
Oh, what happened? Let's go!
Hell yeah, you, baby. Love you, bro. Love you, bro. Come on, come on, look. Just a little bit. Just a little shake. Love you, bro.